Hi, this is Fazal. And for today's video, I'll be tracing JISOO from Blackpink using Procreate. First is that I will search for a picture of JISOO. Then insert the picture in the canvas. So I will create a new layer for this. Lower the opacity. Now I will trace JISOO's head. Oh no, I made it black. Okay, no more black. Tracing the nose. Now the lips. Whee! Oh my, I have to do this right. Checking. Better. I will be doing the eyes now. Whee! Okay, I will distort it a little bit. Woo! I will duplicate this layer and move it to the other part. Then the eyebrows. I am making the line so that it's easy to color later. Woo! Short stroke of eyelashes. Almost there. Whee! Now with the whole face. Basically, I'm just tracing here. Woo! Whee! This is so cool. I will apply the face color now. Applying the nearest skin color. Here it is. It's like I'm doing a full makeup foundation. We'll do the lip color too. Woo! Gaussian blur. I need to do a little bit lip enhancement. It looks flat, so I wanted to emphasize it. I do it by adding dark shading at the side. Oh no, the eyes look creepy to me. Next is the eyebrows. Erase the excess. Add some contour. Woo! This will enhance the appearance of the drawing. Wow! Woo! Woo! Including the nose. Eye touch up. Whee! Almost there. The outside part of the eyeball is too dark. I'll change it. There. Much better. Hair coloring time. Whee! So the usual, I will draw the boundary line of the image. Woo! Like this. Then color it. Whee! Do some touch up. I will pick a brush that will add details to the hair. Something like this. Coloring the t-shirt. We'll just follow the guide. Woo! Finishing touches. Woo! Adding background. I will choose pink background rhymes with Blackpink. This is what it looks like.